This week's Linux command line tip is going to be on the ls command. So the ls command will allow you to see what's in your current directory or other directories. So if we type in the ls command alone, we can see that it displays a horizontal list of files and also directories on the command line. So this is fine, but if you want something a little bit cleaner, you can type in ls space L, and that would give you a list view or more vertical view of the directory contents. So this is a little more readable as opposed to the horizontal format. Again, ls alone will bring in a horizontal depiction of your directory contents, and ls space -l will bring in a list view or vertical view of your directory contents, be it other directories or files. So you can see that this is an alphabetical order, and all the directory contents are not listed. So there are things called hidden files, and if you want to hide a file, you want to start that file name with a period or a dot. And to see the hidden files or directories within a directory, you would use the ls-l a command. You don't have to do -l, you can do ls-a, and the -a option will show you the hidden files within that directory. And for comparison purposes, we can see that the ls-l did not list the hidden file of .myhiddenfiles.txt that the ls space -la file did in the last command execution. So that's a useful thing if you want to see all hidden directories, all hidden files, type in ls-la. And if we type in ls-l again, we see there are additional numbers within the directory structure that precede the file name and precede the date. So this one says 16742. That's actually the file size of hamcalc.py, but that's a little bit difficult to read. So if you want a more human readable format, you can type in ls-h, or my preferred way of doing it is ls space -lh to give a vertical view or list view with human readable format. So let's type that, and we can see that the hamcalc.py went to 17K, so 17,000 bytes as opposed to 16742, and the 17K is a little bit easier to read and easier to appreciate, so I always kind of include the H option within the ls command. The directories are normally sorted by an alphabetical order, so you can see the D comes before H and P, then T, so the first letters in the alphabet are going to appear on the top as opposed to the last letters in the alphabet are going to appear on the bottom. If we want to sort the directory or the ls command, what we can do is type in and use the option sort --sort equals, and let's see if we can go ahead and sort by time. And if we type this in, the files that have been created, the earliest are listed on top and the older files are listed on the bottom. So we can see that hamcalc.py was created on December 2nd, and that's viewable on the top of the directory list or the file list, and hello.py is the last in the directory listing, and that was created on November 22nd. So what if we wanted to do something and reverse the sort option? So we can use the same commands, but let's add a -r to the command structure and hit enter again. And we can see that the directory sorting based on time is now reversed. So we have the oldest file on the top displaying first, and the newest file at the bottom of the directory listing appearing last. So the ls space -r command will reverse anything that you're doing specifically with relationship to the sort option. So we can also sort by different means. In addition to sorting by time, we can sort by file size, and all you need to do is specify the size option. And let's get rid of the R in the meantime. And let's actually just clear this out really quick and display the directory contents. So ls space dash l space dash dash sort equals size will sort the directory contents according to size. And the largest file name is at the top of the list, and the one with 0 bytes, phone numbers.txt, is at the very bottom. And again, we can add the H option to make this a little more human readable, and then we can go back and actually do the reverse sort by adding the R option into the command option. So ls space dash l rh space dash dash sort equals size will give us a reverse listing and sorting by the file size. So the largest file size will occur at the bottom and the smallest file size will occur on top. And just to recap, ls command will list the directory contents in horizontal format. ls space dash l will list the directory contents in a vertical format that's a little more readable, and you can pop that H option in there to make things a little more humanly readable and easier to read. That's it for today's tip, and we'll see you next time.